All right, guys. So we haven't really done a linear back squat program in terms of you do 10 of this, 8 of this, 5 of this, 3 of this, right? And we can slowly build our way up there. For most of us, it's been a learning how to back squat progression and establishing weights that you know you can move comfortably and still learn and be coached in. So today's an extension of that, just going a little bit heavier. So we have like our typical right now, A1, A2, A3 of the hip warm up. Bulletproof hips, which we've been doing a lot of. The Cossack squats, we should be getting more comfortable with, and maybe even adding weight to these as you progress each round. And a newer movement called a Jefferson curl to a bootstrapper. Now, this is going to be done with a kettlebell or a light dumbbell. You essentially stand on 2 benches with your feet spread. You're going to reach over like you're touching your toes, letting the kettlebell drag you down and kind of stretch you out. Once you're at the bottom, you're gonna do a bootstrapper. So you're going to then squat all the way down, like a proud chest. We're kind of a monkey position, and then you're just going to stand up with this. This is going to be just nice, like opening or letting your back kind of stretch out, opening up your hip flexors, and then driving out of the bottom of a squat is ideal here. So we're trying to just engage the hip for that. The real workout starts 3 sets of 3 reps at the same weight. So last week we did 5 by 5. Some of you guys were a little cautious here. You think you could have done a little bit heavier. This is where you start doing that. So you're only going to be doing 3 reps. But it should be like a 3 rep max every single time. Breathing in a deep breath of air, squatting, make sure that you hit depth, and then driving up. Take a second or two to breathe at the top of the rep, squat down again, and really push through this. I'm still looking for you guys to make sure that your mechanics are sound, so your knees are tracking out over your toes, your chest stays upright, and you have a good clear balance between your toes and your heels as you squat down. If you have questions about that, just talk to your coach. But erring on the side of I went too light for this workout is the better path out of that. Happy Friday.